Good morning, all of Pottinger kids and some of Amundson kids. Today we're going to make a video together. All of you have the same notes, which are 5.3 multiplying mixed numbers. Can you guys multiply mixed numbers?
Yes.
Here we go. A factor, class. Factors help us to do what? Well, it should be a little bit louder than that. A mixed number is a whole number with a what part? What is unique about improper fractions when you look at the numerator and the denominator? Beautiful. And around the world helps us change from a mix to a... All right, number 5. You must always convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before solving. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, on the count of 3, let's read this together. And I mean together. Everyone together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
You must always convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before solving.
No matter what the lesson is. If it's adding, you convert to impropers. If it's subtracting, you convert to impropers. If it's multiplying, you convert to impropers. When it's division, you're going to convert to impropers when you learn that. How do you multiply fractions? Go.
Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator.
And as your teacher, I'm going to say, don't you dare even think about finding.
Common denominators with multiplying fractions.
I don't know where the rest of that word went, but yeah, do not ever think about finding common denominators when multiplying fractions. So look at number 8. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, done, right?
Yes.
Look at number 9. Is this a mixed number?
Yes.
Do we need to convert to impropers?
Yes.
Then once you have impropers, you multiply across. Is this an acceptable final answer?
No.
We reduced using a common factor of?
3.
Is this an acceptable final answer?
No.
Why?
Because it's improper.
And because it's a fraction, we use division to convert it into a mixed number, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. Is it legal to reduce the fraction part of a mixed number? Yes. So is 6 3/9 actually is the same as 6 1/3, right?
Yes.
Should you reduce early in problems?
Yes.
If you reduce early in problems, you're dealing with smaller numbers. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you weren't to reduce this early, you would have been dealing with a number, I think you would have been dealing with the number like 1,053 or something. Yeah, 1,083. Would you rather deal with the number in the thousands or in the 300s? We good people?